nice. Good day, good day. So I would like to give you a quick tour of the outside of the building here at the Erica Tower and just show you a little bit what's around. Now outside we do have the Lumiere Coffee. You have several coffee shops out here. There's also this is like a salon spa. So you can come here, get your massage done, get your nails and hair done and all that done. So just FYI, it's a really good spot. This is the buggy that they have around the community. You can take around, super cheap. You can book these guys to just go around the community. Like you just want to go to the mall real fast or to the store. If you don't want to take your own bike or whatever, you can just hop on those to go around town. Super cool. There's another beauty spa here. There's a lot of spas, by the way, in Vietnam in general. And this is called Black Private Gym. This is for more about sports, boxing. They specialize in that stuff. So I'm gonna go head on in. All right, so welcome home, welcome home. I'm gonna give you the full feature. Yeah, give you the full feature and check it. This is pretty nice. These have some under LED lights here where you can turn on like that. That's pretty cool. Let me give you the full overview here. Very nice. Actually, honestly, it feels nicer than the actual pictures. Sofa is really nice. Really comfortable. Really huge 85-inch screen here by LG. Head on out to the balcony real fast. And this is the view from the balcony, which is great. You do have an open view here. This is the new express highway that's finishing. It's finishing. I'm not sure when they're gonna actually be done, but once that opens, you'll be able to get into town, the expressway, they're expressing 20 minutes, which now the current commute is about 45 minutes driving. If you're on a motorbike, I kind of get there in 30 minutes, honestly, but I'm a little bit of a speed demon. But generally, most people take about 45 minutes to get downtown. That's gonna cut it down to 20. So just an FYI on that as far as the proximity to downtown. Sliding doors, they do lock. Very nice curtains here as well. I also check if there's any stains. I mean, the apartment is pretty much new, so I don't expect to find any stains or anything like that. But if they do, there's actually a little bit one here, and I'll have my team come in. There's a couple. So those are some things that we will address. All right, so walking into the primary bedroom here first, king size bed, really nice. Let's check. Oh, this one is a firm. This is about 8 or 9 out of firmness. So may want to get either another mattress or a mattress topper. You can also get a really cheap foam mattress topper, and they're $25, and it would just make this, so you can essentially use this as your box spring, if you will, and just put a soft mattress on top. I will definitely discuss that with you, and we can help you to source those type of things. It looks like there is some type of lighting involved there. There's a side desk here plug and side nightstand there. So just FYI, we need to check on that. Okay, really nice curtains here. No stains spotted here. This is the mirror, side table. The air cons are made by Casper. I've used Casper in a lot of my apartments. They are decent. Decent quality, do quite a good job. I would want to cover that hole right there. So all these little things I spot, I got eyes of a Hulk. So I spotted these little things. I see another power cable there. That's probably where we need to get connected. That's wild that the mirror goes all the way down to the floor. Another power there. for, keeping your phones charged and stuff like that. Under bed storage here, pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And let's go into the closet. So this is the first door here. Our team would need to clean this. So, and you do have your drawers here. This is a little shallow one. It goes a little deeper. And then you have the doors here with the tempered glass. So this goes counter corner that way. Oh, okay, open one at a time. Okay. Okay, that's kind of interesting. I would have did the doors opposite, but it's all right. It's functional. It's not too bad, but a little bit of a design flaw. Let me give you a shot of this painting. This looks like a Vietnamese countryside painting going on there. You can definitely put some artwork here, or you can install another TV if that's something you would like. You do have the connections here, Ethernet, and the power. So you can wall mount a TV there if you would like. As far as the buttons here, light switches, and this is your water heater. So you want to, I personally keep mine on. It doesn't use up that much energy. And I think it saves more if you just keep the heater on, so it's not constantly, reheating the water. So the shower area, this is important for you as well, your question. You can put a rainfall shower if you like. These work really, really nice. They're basic style, but they're actually pretty good. This is a total enclosed shower with the door, right? Nice vanity, also by Kohler. Everything is pretty high end, as well as the Kohler smart toilet here. And there is a remote that comes with this brand, and that remote controls everything for the bum gun and all that kind of stuff, and water heater and pressure and all that. They also have the side buttons here, and I'll give you the kind of the 411 on that, on operation on that. So there is a fan. Also, I mentioned there's a fan here for exhaust, toilet paper holder, and you have the towel racks and a hook behind the door. So just FYI on that. Okay, so back to the living room. A ceiling fan, as you know, really nice ceiling fan. I think that's going to come in handy. It's pretty neat. I really think they should put more ceiling fans inside of Vietnamese homes. I think this should be a standard feature. Casper aircon here, and also there'll be another one in the other room. Really nice lighting here. The entry here is quite spacious. Normally, a lot of families put a shoe cabinet here, but they have a small one here. So they have a little small shoe cabinet here. So maybe you might want to add a shoe cabinet if you want a little bit later. Oh, the shoe cabinet's out there. Okay. This one here is just for the internet, and also we will cover that back up. That's very easy. Once the internet guy comes, you just install it and then cover that back up. Really nice table. Nice stone table. This is pretty solid. I like the legs. I like the style. We do need to do some cleaning of these chairs. It's by a little bit of dirt. So again, the same guys that are coming to do the sofa cleaning will also do the cleaning of the chairs. They can do leather chairs and everything. So really nice style here. Let's go to the fridge. Brand new sharp, high capacity. Oh, the table is just a little bit too close there. There's a water dispenser by the box. So you can just fill this up, 3.5 liters, and you always have ice cold water. That comes in handy. Definitely needs cleaning. The guests kind of just moved out. There hasn't been any cleaning yet. But again, we handle all of that, and that's what we do. That's what we do at Saigon Cribs. And this is a good point. A lot of people don't understand, like when you rent apartments here in Saigon, they just give it to you as is. And so we at Saigon Cribs don't do that. We clean it. So a really nice size fridge. I think this is decent. High capacity, smart control. You can do the power cool if you bringing something home or you want some really ice cold drinks. This is a really nice brushed nickel style. This is a custom. This normally doesn't come with this style. Faucet is nice. We will clean it. It's a little bit of rusting a little bit here. So I think the sink is solid. You may want to just replace the faucet if that's, something that's picky for you. This is a drying rack here. So yeah, let me show you upper cabinets. All of these have the soft closed doors, right? So there's no slamming of the doors. Have another rack here. And also point out, if there's anything that you don't want, we'll make a list. Just say, hey, Brian, can you remove these list of things? And we can also remove things, based upon your request. This is nice. This is a drying rack. And a lot of houses don't have this. Ooh, this is nice. So you can wash your dishes and just put them here, and they have the little plastic right here that catches the water, right? And you can take that out and clean that periodically. That's always a nice touch. There's some paper behind there, and it's another one. Yeah, this is for the utensils. This is a good touch. I honestly have to say, very, very nice touch. This is also custom. So they did some custom work on this kitchen that others don't do. We got a 2-top inverter. This brand here is by Benova. So induction. So quick tip, when you're buying your pots and pans, you want to make sure that it is an induction. This is a pull-out oven hood. You do have the fans and speeds. Let's turn that on. And boom, 3 speeds. You can turn on and off the light and all of that jazz. And of course, when you arrive, I'm gonna give you the full tour. We also clean these, especially if someone lived here before. There's a little bit of oil and, cooking stuff from the previous tenant. We're just gonna clean that. Another thing I'll point out is that you have this marble backsplash. So the owners really invested in this kitchen specifically. And no, I've never seen an apartment that has a marble backsplash and a marble countertop. So you get a bonus on that part. So really nice kitchen. I do like the lighting. That is really, really cool. So going into the secondary bed, same under storage. All right. Under storage there, same hard mattress. So FYI, if you have guests, you might want to do the same, get a nice mattress topper or something like that, or the foam topper, and make it more comfortable for them. These windows do open, by the way, on each side, right? So they open just like this, just kind of quarter way, and they lock kind of like that. So really, really nice. Sheer and a blackout. So, you can definitely close. And let me just give you a quick example of the blackout, because that might be helpful for you to see that, especially during this daytime. So boom. So definitely blackout curtains makes it really dark here. So that's just a good tip there. There is a power outlet there, and looks like they got a little cell phone ledge. Same here, you can mount another TV here if you want to. So just FYI, that's your Casper, again, the Casper, and also another little hole right there that, again, I would want to have my team. It's not going to cost anything to get those little things, fixed and have a nice clean look, right? So nice cabinet space. So, if it's just you, you got all this extra added cabinet space. Let's see, this mirror also lights up on the sides here. So it has an LED, and that's a very interesting feature. This does not open unless you open that door. So a little bit of quirks there that okay, hello developers. Upper storage there, and even more upper storage here if you want it, and definitely needs to be clean. Look at that. All right, so definitely some cleaning. But even added storage, you can just put more stuff up there, like luggage and stuff. Artwork is there. Cool. So while you're watching, please write down a list of any of your requests. Oh, and I also mentioned that you do have the underlighting here. There's a lot of LED lighting, mood lighting, throughout the apartment, which is also great. Now, the secondary bathroom, also a full bath, walk-in shower, with the shower door. This has a window, so for airing out after taking a shower. Cool tip, after using showers, because of the humidity inside of Vietnam and Saigon especially, you don't want to have any like mold starting to grow. So keep the fan on after taking a shower, or opening a window, and let it dry for like an hour, so that you don't have any type of mold building up. Now this particular doesn't have a smart toilet, but it is a Kohler brand, so it's still high end, and with the bidet. So you do have the bidet there, Kohler sink, you got little under storage there, you have the hanging racks there as well. Looks like they're doing a little bit of work here, so we need to figure out what they're doing with that. This looks like it will be removed, and this is the main mirror. You do have the power socket here as well. Okay, so that is the secondary bath, water heater here, and going into the laundry area. So they had built in the huge, this is technically like the shoe cabinet, but you can use this for shoes and or for your laundry detergent and stuff like that. Keep everything organized. This is a nice touch. This is another thing that a lot of apartments do not have. So this is a really good touch that they did put this here. Just realize that the window is not going to open because of the shoe rack right there. Well, okay, that's the second thing I found that that's not good planning. I will tell you the hanging rack here, this comes in handy. So as far as using the washing machine, everybody does the hang dry because it's so hot. Right now it's so hot right in this room. Also, we have the air cons on, and these create heat, but it goes right outside of these slats here. This is just exposed to outside. So this really is like a dryer, to be honest, especially it's hot in Saigon. So this really is a dryer in a way, right?
Oh, you got a washer and dryer? Of course. I rented my apartment through SaigonCribs.com. All of their clients get a washer and dryer. Better call Brian.
The washing machine, let me try to go around. So the washing machine, I would actually see, because it's a little bit uncomfortable with the space here. You may want to turn this to face this way so that you can use the washing machine from here. Open the door, put your clothes in. From my opinion, that's what I would do. Let me know if you want to go ahead and do that. So that's another change I would do here. But this is a brand new Samsung. This is like the newest one. This is the smart version. Let me see. It should be plugged in. So I think this should be an English one. Oh, cool. It is in English, but we'll check and see if we can change the language. I'm pretty sure that we can. And yeah, it has all of the features. Just switch it through there. So I'm going to find the model number for this one. Turn that back off there. Very nice, by Samsung. That's a full tour of the home. Not too bad as far as the repair list, because again, this is a brand new apartment. So let me know any other adjustments that you find, anything else you may want to have in the apartment. If you want us to help you source a desk, help you to source like the soft bedding or things like that, just let us know. You do have one, this is a king size bed, by the way. We will provide one king size bed sheets, bed linens, and all of that will be covered by us. So FYI on that, you don't have to buy your first set when you first land. And yeah, that covers everything. Thank you for choosing Saigon Cribs. Let's go.